USA.
Charlie Tango 2, Golf Sierra November.
Charlie Tango 2, Golf Sugar November, private 9.
Okay, 3 Victor 3 Sugar. Charlie Tango 2, Golf Sierra November. You found in Portugal. I think so. You are the scout station in Tunisia, correctly?
Roger, Roger. The normal Johnson is 3 Victor 8 Sugar, the club station.
Okay, 100%. Now I don't am scout, but I make the every year's activity with scout in Portugal. Have now the contact with you in January. Okay, my call sign Charlie Tango 2 Golf Sierra November. And I have in January the last national station in Portugal, okay, with Charlie November 5, Charlie November Echo, okay. Thank you very much for this contact for you. You arrived here very well, the modulation clear and the strong signal, okay. My name is John, Juliet Oscar Hotel November. 3 Victor 3 Sugar, Charlie Tango 2 Golf Sierra November, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. We use the club station with 3 Victor 3 Sugar for the German expedition here and the special contact for the 10 days here, our operation at the WWD contest on the CW. Okay, thank you. 70 please. Bye-bye.
Okay, what is your name of the operator, Roger?
Yeah, the name is Andy, Alpha November, the Alpha India, and I'm also the QSL manager at the Alpha Lima 9, United Santiago, America.
Okay, 100%. Okay, Andy. 73 to you, and this station are in this position. I have a look in the currencies.com, the name of the members of this expedition. Good luck for you in CQWW, CW, and good luck for you in many DX. Okay, 3 Victor 3 Sierra in Tunisia, Charlie Tango 2 Golf Sierra November in Portugal. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. 3 Victoria 3 Sugar.